So we are setting up or prepping for Katherine Hannaford's workshop. Hi, Katherine.
Hi.
We're at my puppet studio. We've got Katherine's patterns, and then we have a whole bunch of different faux furs, and they're really quite gorgeous. So different colors you can see there. There's still one spot left. And then we've got in here,
Let's see.
Ooh, so samples, puppet making samples. My goodness, you've done so much work, Katherine. This is amazing. And Pete, so we're going to be making kits. So you can see, just been a busy bee cutting things up. Over there, there's like rolls of foam. And everyone's going to get a duffel bag to put everything in, and a card with a QR code for the links for the workshop. There's boning, there's arm rod, dowel rods.
And for the first time, Australian puppet builders will be able to try the new F3 fleece from America. This is the new replacement for Antron.
Ooh.
And this one is Nyla fleece from Georgia Stage.
Lovely.
That'll be for the noses.
And what are they making?
We are making rabbits!
They're making rabbits! Bunnies.
Bunnies.
So there's one more space left. So yeah, we're going to start making these kits. Let's go. Packing foam, packing foam. Ooh. Packing party. Lucky dip number. We have reached the point where we have packed the puppet kit bags. Woohoo! And to see, each bag has a number, carrot, because we're making bunnies, and then there's the corresponding lucky dip number. So the workshop participant will pick a number, and then they will open up their bag to see what color fur they have. So for example, this one is in a bag that I can't get to, is that color. Ooh, that's nice. Very, very soft and fluffy. And there's
the camel latte.
Camel latte, nice. And then we've got 2 different kinds of foam in here to work with, a puppet stand, materials, and character sheet, and there's some samples and other information in here. And this is what each participant will receive in their bag. So that's very, very exciting.